Hello everyone, welcome back to Anshul Gupta MD, your trusted resource on everything related to thyroid. Today I want to talk about 6 most popular myths which are going around in thyroid community. It is very important to know the real facts around thyroid so you can feel better and you can reverse your thyroid diseases. So let's talk about 6 most popular myths and what is actually the truth behind those myths. So the very first myth is that if you start a thyroid medicine, you can never stop it. Now there are different kind of thyroid disorders. One is hyperthyroid and the other one is hypothyroid. Now in both hyper and hypothyroid conditions, if you heal your underlying cause of your thyroid problem, then it is a possibility that you can stop the medicine. The most common reason of hypothyroidism currently is Hashimoto's disease. In Hashimoto's disease, your body is making antibodies to destroy your thyroid gland. If you take relevant steps and do the right protocol to reverse Hashimoto's, and if you can lower your antibodies, then your thyroid can start functioning again and you can lower and stop your medicines. Similar thing in hyperthyroid situation, the most common hyperthyroid condition is Graves' disease. And again, that is an autoimmune condition. And if you can lower your antibodies of Graves' disease, then there is a high chance you can stop the medicines of Graves' disease also. So in reality, it is a possibility that you can stop your thyroid medicines if you take the right steps to heal your thyroid. The second most common myth which goes around is that you cannot eat cruciferous vegetables like cabbages, cauliflowers, broccolis, Brussels sprouts, all those things if you do have a thyroid disorder, especially low thyroid or Hashimoto's disease. And this is absolutely a myth. This myth has been going around for several years because it is thought that cruciferous vegetables can interfere with the absorption of iodine in your gut. But in reality, there is no research studies which has been done on humans which prove this myth. In fact, the research studies suggest that eating cruciferous vegetables is especially good for people with Hashimoto's disease because it can help to lower the antibodies. Cruciferous vegetables have sulforaphanes, which is an antioxidant compound. It helps with detoxification. So these cruciferous vegetables have shown that actually can help your Hashimoto's disease and can lower your antibody levels. The third most popular myth which are going around is that people who have thyroid disorders cannot exercise. Now, this is actually not correct. Most of the people with thyroid disorders are not able to exercise because they have too much inflammation going on in their body and they are not doing anything to heal their body. And that's the reason as soon as they start exercising, they feel worse. But in reality, if you heal your body, then you can certainly exercise. The caution over here is that most of the time the high intensity interval training is not good for thyroid patients because that puts too much pressure on the thyroid people. So the best form of exercise for people with thyroid disorder is a combination of a cardio and strength training, because that has shown in research that it can reduce inflammation, can support your thyroid health, as well as can lower your thyroid antibodies. So what I recommend is that start slowly with exercising, build up the stamina, but certainly exercise is very important to heal your thyroid. The fourth myth which has been told to thyroid people is that diet doesn't play any role in treating thyroid disorders. And that is absolutely untrue. We have good amount of research that suggests that dietary changes or poor diet can cause thyroid disorders. People who are eating a lot of processed food, who are eating a lot of sugar, or who are eating unhealthy diets have high chances of getting thyroid disorders. And we have seen that people who are following a gluten free as well as a diet which is high in antioxidants, which are all those vegetables that you are eating, good quality protein and good quality fats. People who are following this kind of diet actually see an improvement in their thyroid numbers as well as their thyroid antibody levels. And certainly they can also lower their thyroid medicines also several amount of times. So diet plays a very important role in treating your thyroid disorders. The fifth myth which people has been told is that they cannot lose weight if they have a thyroid disorder. Now, a lot of people come to see us on the daily basis telling us that they have tried all different kinds of diet. They're literally not eating anything, but they are not losing weight. They have gone to their doctors and they have been told that they cannot lose weight because they have a thyroid disorder. And that is not a reality. In reality, people with thyroid disorders can lose weight, but they have to do the right diet as well as they have to take the right supplements that will support their body. Most common diet that has been given to people is low calorie diet. People are restricting their eating to very few calories. and that's the reason they're not losing weight. What is happening in these low calorie diet is that their thyroid doesn't get the right vitamins and minerals which is needed to produce thyroid hormone. And actually, these low calorie diets hurt your thyroid, and that's the reason you're not losing weight. So it is very important to eat a diet which is anti-inflammatory in nature as well as has all the nutrients which is needed to support and heal your thyroid gland. So it is more about quality of the food rather than the calories of the food. And that's the reason most people do not lose weight. So if you focus on the quality of the food, then you can lose weight if you have a thyroid disorder. Now, the last myth which has been going around is that the only treatment available for thyroid patients is taking the thyroid medicine. Now, again, that is not the reality. So, research clearly suggests that you need to do more than just taking the medicine to actually heal your thyroid and feel better. In that regard, diet plays a very important role, exercise plays a very important role, and supplements play a very important role. There are certain supplements which research has shown that can help heal the thyroid as well as improve the thyroid symptoms, like zinc, like selenium, like magnesium, vitamin D, and much more. So, to heal your thyroid completely, you have to follow a complete protocol and not just the medicine. And yes, there are other treatment options available with you along with taking the medicines. So, if you do the medicines and take the other supplements and the diet prescribed, then you can heal your thyroid and can also reverse your disease. So you see, these are the 6 popular myths which are going around for thyroid disorders. I hope now you get the real facts and the truth behind the thyroid and can heal your thyroid also. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.